So hello guys, welcome back. We are here back again with our trading setup. This is chart for Nifty 50. So now let's quickly discuss for tomorrow's trading session. So as here we can see in hourly time frame, market crosses this range, gives a closing above 18,000 levels and also give a breakout of this resisting trend line. Here we can see a clear cut breakout. So for tomorrow's trading session, if market opens flat and continues in upper direction, we can go for a long up to 18,300 levels. Otherwise, in any condition, if market start trading below these levels in upcoming session, we can go short below this range. Between this particular range we should avoid trade. So now let's quickly take a look over Bank Nifty also. As discussed earlier, Bank Nifty is in downtrend. Nifty is forming a W type pattern. If in upcoming session Bank Nifty break this particular level, we can go for a long position. Otherwise, if this trend line resist Bank Nifty, we can go for another short opportunity below these levels. So now let's quickly discuss some stocks for tomorrow trading session. Our first pick is Biocon. So as we can see here in daily time frame, Biocon is consolidating in a range. If this particular script breaks 351.5 levels, we can go for a long call. Our target would be near 360 levels. As we can see in Motherson Sumi, this pattern is formed in yesterday time frame. After an impulse move, there is a range consolidation. Breaking of this level gives a sharp upside move. So our next pick is DLF. DLF is currently trading at its 52-week high. So if in tomorrow's trading session, if this break this level, we can go for a long entry at a retest. So let's quickly discuss our third pick, that is BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited. As we can see in hourly time frame, this particular script, after facing this resistance various times in hourly time frame, now close to a breakout. So we can trade this breakout in tomorrow's trading session. If this particular script breakout 73.5 levels in intraday, we can go long up to 75 levels. Our stop loss for this trade is below 72.8 levels. Thank you. Have a nice trading day for tomorrow.
तेरे नाम दी फेर दे